What?
I painted my race car picture
Yeah?
in right in there. And I wanted to make a sandwich and Daddy didn't let me.
He didn't let you?
Uh-huh.
Ugh.
Yell at him.
I will. Ready?
Young so hard and say, what, Aiden?
Make a sandwich?
Uh-huh. For me, the tiny one.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. And I like tiny sandwich, like those things that we,
Hey.
like those buns that we go to the pool.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
You ready to go to the pool?
Yeah!
With Hannah and Logan?
Uh-huh. Right, let me get some pins that I want to wear.
Hi, Vinny.
Scott, this is what I want to wear at the pool. Uh-huh. It's the one that I want to wear.
Okay.